Alright guys, this is that mini bike. I got it out of the storage unit. I already stripped it down. I'm gonna be sandblasting everything. I'm gonna sandblast the fenders, the rims, front forks, and I got 2 new tires ordered. I got a new throttle ordered. I got a new seat coming. I'm gonna get rid of that brake. I'm gonna run a clutch brake on it. I'm pretty much just gonna use this on the property. Some of my son's out there on his 4-wheeler. I can chase him around on it. I'm probably just going to do a 212, maybe a 224. I'm not sure yet. I have a 10 horse, but it's an older 10 horse, and that actually does fit. But I think that might be just, I'm not sure. I have to check on the weight difference between them, but I think just a stock 212 probably be perfect for this. But yeah, I just want to show this. I'm gonna be doing updates. Right now I'm just kind of getting everything prepped. I got this tent thing I'm gonna put together to build just a small sandblasting area, so I can get all this stuff sandblasted. But yeah, I'll have more videos of this coming up here soon. But I just wanted to show this. Thanks.